Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can take screenshots in SteelSeries Moments. So basically there's only one way how you can take a screenshots is basically by enabling your game or desktop capture, and after that, after you clip something, basically going to the moments and clicking on the clip that you want to take a screenshot of, and basically now you'll need to go to the event that happened on the game, and basically right here you can click T or just take a screenshot on this icon, and basically you will take a screenshot and you'll be able to open it, as you can see, and it is saved in your local disk C users, your username, videos, SteelSeries Moments, and screenshots. So if you go to the videos, SteelSeries Moments, screenshots, you'll find that. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you basically take a screenshot of your clip, and right here you can change the canvas size if you want to. So basically, if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.